Hello, my name's Cal, and I went to the public lecture, an evening lecture near Piccadilly Circus that changed the world. And the basis of the lecture was just describing how Maxwell made a huge impact on the development of electromagnetic fields, specifically honing in on the night he presented all of his new ideas to the Royal Society in London. And the main concept that the lecture went over was just describing the impact that Maxwell had on the scientific community. Maxwell realized the importance of Faraday's theory on magnetic induction, even though I know everyone else did not, and kind of ignored the importance of Faraday's discoveries. And he built on Faraday's theory and created his own set of equations that describe electromagnetic fields and how they relate to light. And basically, Maxwell proved to the world that light, electric, and magnetic fields could all be described in one electromagnetic theory. And the lecturer noted that the reason that this discovery was so important was because it led to a lot of other theories, specifically the Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein actually, gave ode to Maxwell for, giving him the building blocks for him to discover this very, very important theory today, and basically kind of started a revolution that it's kind of like a different, view of reality, that time and space are actually interconnected components, and it was very, it changed the world's perception on reality, which is very cool. And the most interesting thing about the lecture to me was the fact that Maxwell's theory on electromagnetism was actually like the single most important event of the most significant event, I guess, of the 19th century, and I had no idea about this Maxwell in the first place before the meeting, and I thought it was really cool. I guess after the lecture, and then learning about it more in class, I started researching Maxwell more, and actually found out that electromagnetic fields have even more effects that I had no idea could ever exist. And there's actually electromagnetic theories of consciousness, meaning that electromagnetic fields happen in our brain and affect our thinking, perception, memory, things like that. And I guess the basic theory, I'm going to sound very vague here because I don't really know much, but theories that neurons fire off in the brain create an induced electromagnetic field of electrons and spark brain activity. I can't go into the details of that, but that was the gist I got. But these are all the main points and findings I had from the lecture. It was very interesting. But yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for your time.